Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nice muffins. Achieving consistently delicious muffins starts with understanding a few fundamental principles. We'll cover the importance of ingredient quality, the critical step of gentle mixing, and how to properly fill your muffin tins. Following these simple guidelines will ensure your muffins are always light, fluffy, and perfectly baked every single time. Let's dive into the details to elevate your baking game. The foundation of a great muffin lies in its ingredients and their preparation. Always bring cold ingredients like eggs and milk to room temperature. This helps them emulsify better, creating a smoother batter. Sifting your dry ingredients, such as flour, baking powder, and baking soda, prevents any pockets of unmixed leavening and ensures a uniform rise. This careful attention to detail sets the stage for a truly exceptional muffin experience. The muffin method is crucial for achieving that tender, airy crumb. First, whisk all your wet ingredients together in one bowl and all your dry ingredients in another. Then, gently fold the wet into the dry ingredients using a spatula, mixing only until just combined. It's perfectly fine and even desirable to have a few lumps in your batter. Overmixing is the enemy of a good muffin, leading to a tough, chewy texture. Baking muffins correctly ensures a beautiful dome and a perfectly cooked interior. Start by baking your muffins at a higher temperature, around 425 degrees Fahrenheit, for the first 5 minutes. This initial burst of heat helps them rise quickly. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the remaining 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.